Hello, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Po na mensahe ni Cancer ay major life change. Ayan, so time is right for major life changes as a new lifestyle or location brings great joy and trouble-free existence. Napakaganda. Yung kung ano man ang major life change na to na gagawin ninyo, parang magiging stress-free na kayo from here on, ano? Napakaganda nito. That could be linked sa pagbabago ng lifestyle ninyo, pagbabago ng kung paano ninyo ninanavigate ang buhay ninyo, approach ninyo sa life in general. There could be changes din sa location ninyo, no? So there could be relocation dito that could be linked sa inyong trabaho, linked sa inyong career, linked sa inyong negosyo na relocation na to. Maaari din na ang iba sa inyo dito mag-aasawa na, no? Kaya siguro magbabago na kayo ng tinitirhan, no? Maaaring sumama na kayo sa inyong papakasalan or sasama na kayo or bubuo kayo ng bagong ng sarili din ninyong tahanan somewhere, no? Yung ganon. Whatever the case may be, kung ano man ang mga pagbabagong ito na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo, Cancer, this is going to bring you great joy, di ba? Napakaganda. Siguro mas magiging fulfilled kayo dito, no? Satisfied, contented sa kung ano man ang klaseng pagbabagong gagawin ninyo at this time. So, good luck. We have declutter. Ayan. Declutter your life. Let go of correspondence, objects, and people you no longer want. Ayan. So, major transformation. Dito ang gagawin ninyo. Magsisimula kayo sa pagtanggal, sa pag-release ng kahit anuman na hindi na nagsiserve ng iyong highest good. So, this is really beautiful. Kasi, tama nga lang din naman, 'di ba? Hindi na natin kailangang i-keep sa sarili natin kung clutter na lang 'yan. Na makakasikip na lang 'yan sa buhay natin. Makakapagpagulo na lang 'yan ang buhay natin. Kaya might as well let them go. I-declutter nyo na 'yan, mga kalat na 'yan sa buhay ninyo at nang sa gayon makapaggawa kayo ng room sa sarili ninyo, sa buhay ninyo para sa mas mga bagong sitwasyon, bagong experiences at mga bagong tao na mas magiging supportive of you sa inyong mga soul's growth, hindi ba? Someone will hurt your feelings and reveal a new side of themselves that you may wish to avoid. Ayan, so maybe may mga tao kayo dito magiging parte ng buhay ninyo siguro dito na madidiscover ninyo yung totoo nilang kulay, yung madidiscover ninyo yung totoo nilang pagkatao. So this could be someone na parte na ng buhay ninyo, like mga kaibigan siguro, katrabaho, or maybe kapamilya, no? Mga kamag-anak, mga ganon. So what else? Or person ninyo. So we have commitment. A commitment is indicated around love or business. It will make you feel better. Ayan. So, maybe, may bago kayong love connection dito. Maybe you're going to commit with someone dito in love. Maaring ganun ang ganap. Or maaring business partnership. No, may mga bagong endeavor siguro kayo ditong papasukin, and maybe there going to be collaboration, partnerships, yung mga ganon. And sabi dito, it will make you feel better. So, magiging masaya siguro kayo dito, no? Sa partnership na yan na papasukin ninyo. So, what else for Cancer? Surprises. Ayan. So, napakaganda naman ito kasi may mga surprising events na mangyayari dito sa buhay ninyo, Cancer. So, paghandaan nyo na yan, na maging, maging physically, mentally, emotionally, ready kayo for those surprises because you never know, baka yung surprises na yan ay mga sagot na sa inyong mga dasal. You never know, baka yan na yung mga blessings or miracles na ibibigay sa inyo ng divine universe. We have time. Ayan, some time is ticking, Cancer. I-take advantage niyo na ang every opportunity na kumakatok sa buhay ninyo. Take advantage of every opportunity na nandiyan dyan na sa inyong harapan. Okay? Time is ticking because maybe kailangan nito ng utmost attention. Kailangan ninyo dito na bigyan ito ng immediate action and attention siguro na opportunity na ito. So we have growth, and the tallest oak tree started as a seedling. So don't be afraid to start something new. Okay? So maybe talaga, this is a time for growth. This is a time for you to expand, to evolve, major life change. Diba? So yung mga pagbabagong ito is maybe giving you an opportunity dito to grow, to thrive, to evolve into the best version of yourself. So good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pauna mensahe ni Scorpio ay sunshine. Ayan. So, the sun is shining on you. Career and business growth, fabulous communication and relationships. Apakaganda nito kasi yung parang yung liwanag ng sun, is going to cut through your situation sa ngayon. Maaaring yan ay sa inyong career or business matters, na siguro medyo challenging sa inyo sa ngayon, mga areas na yan, and the sun is going to shine on you. So magiging maayos ang lahat, eventually there could be breakthroughs coming in dito, at masusolusyonan kung ano man ang mga gusot or kung ano man ang mga challenging situation na pinagdadaanan ninyo or maaaring pinagdadaanan, career-related or business-related. So, breakthrough ang parating dito sa inyo, Scorpio. Magdiliwanag lang ang lahat. Masusolusyonan na kung ano man ang mga a difficult situation na meron kayo, in terms of your career and business. And also, pagdating naman sa inyong relationships, communication ninyo, link sa inyong relationships is going to even better sa ngayon. It's going to be better, is going to improve, yung gano'n. So, mas magiging closer siguro kayo with each other, mas magiging kayo dito, masaya, mas magkakaintindihan, yung mga gano'n. So, good luck, Scorpio. What else? We have commitment. A commitment is indicated around love or business. It will make you feel better. So, Scorpio, most likely, meron ditong ikakasal. Meron na mag-aasawa. Meron na mai-engage, Or, maaari din na mas magiging harmonious and passionate siguro ang inyong relationship with your person at this time. So, what else? We have nature. Interact with nature in the outdoors, around animals, farmlands, or by the ocean. This will be good for the soul and healing for you. Yan. So, ang iba sa inyo dito, Scorpio, siguro hindi kayo nakakapag-spend time outdoors for quite a bit na, Kaya iniimbitahan kayo dito na mag-outdoor activity kayo. Spend time with nature, sa may ocean, sa may body of water, sa may mga animals, maybe park, yung gano'n, para makapag-unwind naman kayo and para ma-absorb ninyo ang healing energy ng nature spirits. It's very, very powerful. It's very therapeutic, and maybe kailangan ninyo yun, Kailangan ninyo na absorb ng healing powers nito, because you may need some kind of healing at this time. Kailangan ninyo na makapagpahinga, kailangan ninyo na makapag-recharge, yung ganon. So, what else? We have clearing, make room for growth. Ayan. So, you need to let go of something dito, Scorpio. You need to release anything and everything that doesn't serve your highest good at this time. Okay? So, panahon na para mag-clear kayo ng sarili ninyo, ng buhay ninyo, and make room for growth. Okay? Kasi hindi ninyo mabibigyan ng pagkakataon ng sarili ninyo to grow, to thrive, to evolve into the best version of yourself if puro negative ang nandiyan dyan, diba? Kung negative thoughts, negative feelings, emotions ang meron kayo. Kaya kung ano man yung nagkukos ng negative energy, kung ano man yung bumabalot sa inyo na negative energy, let them go. Okay? Para magkaroon kayo ng room sa sarili ninyo para sa mas mga positibong kaganapan sa buhay ninyo. Let go. Ayan na nga. May clearing, may let go. Dito din, meron talagang sinasabing paglilinis ng inyong sarili. Okay? So, you really need to, to do some kind of contemplation and reflection dito, Scorpio. So, you may figure out, no, kung ano yung mga bagay, kailangang sitwasyon or even tao that you need to purge, that you need to release, no, out of your life na. Okay? So, magmuni-muni kayo. Kailangan ninyong pag-isipan yan because it's not easy to release. It's not easy to let go. Hindi ba? Kaya you may need to think about it pa. No? You may need to figure out kung sino, kung ano ang inyong tatanggalin sa buhay. Music, there is a melody to be heard in the deepest parts of the woods if only will listen. Okay? So, merong music dito. Merong siguro mga lyrics na maririnig ninyo dyan sa mga music na pinapakinggan ninyo na kailangan ninyong marinig because it might be a guide for you. Okay? This could be music na galing naman sa inyong intuition. This could be intuitive messages, no, na pinapadala sa inyo ng Divine Universe in order to guide you sa inyong mga current circumstances. So, maaring yan ang kailangan ninyong pakinggan na parang musika, no, na maririnig ninyo siguro. So, good luck, Scorpio, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pisces, we have signs. Your future positive direction will reveal itself. Any doubts and confusions will soon disappear. Napakaganda naman ito. Talagang ipapakita, i-guide kayo dito na Divine Universe of where you are heading. You will be shown the way, no? You will be shown the way. Kung ano ang dapat natahakin ninyong daan, saan kayo papunta, no? This is really a beautiful energy, Pisces, na ipapakita sa inyo kung saan kayo patungo. What else? We have sexuality. Ayan. Existing relationships could find a new passion and heightened sexual attraction. So, napakaganda nito. Kasi maybe in the past, no, nagkukulang kayo sa intimacy, nagkukulang kayo sa harmony, yung ganoon. Pero ngayon, you might find new passion, no? Mas magiging passionate kayo with each other, mas yung sexual attraction ninyo could be intense, no, or more intense at this time. Opportunities for marriage and good family life are strong, no, but if single, beware of temptation that could lead to trouble. Ayan. So for some of you, maaring magpapakasal ng iba sa inyo. Maaring magkaroon na dito ng marriage proposal for some of you. Pero kung single naman daw kayo, no, avoid temptation as much as possible, beware of the temptation around you kasi maaring meron ditong mga tawag dito, indecent proposal, no, maaring may mga ganap dito para sa iba sa inyo, or maybe siguro may mga nagpaparamdam, may mga nagpaparinig or nandiligaw sa inyo dito na meron ng asawa, yung mga ganon ba, no? So it may or may not resonate with you, so just take as it resonates. Okay, a child will also bring great joy. So maybe ang iba sa inyo dito is going to to give birth, no? Maaring ganun ang ganap, or maybe mas marami na kayong oras ngayon sa inyong mga anak, maaring ganun ang ganap dyan, kaya mas mai-enjoy nyo na yung company nila. Burnout, your hard work will see results, but your health needs to be maintained, so check in with your doctor, dentist, and health professional and try to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Ayan, so pagod na pagod dito si Pisces. Looks like marami na kayong pinagdaanan dito sa buhay, madaming stress, no, na pinagdaanan, that could be physical stress, emotional, or mental stress. Kaya successful nga kayo, no, you will be on the limelight siguro, successful ang inyong ginagawa, may mga achievement kayo, accomplishments kayo, pero na-compromise din dito ang inyong well-being, na-compromise siguro dito ang inyong health. Kaya, ngayong na-achieve nyo na siguro, nag-succeed na kayo sa kung ano man ang endeavor na yan, or ano man ang iyong proyekto, or inyong trabaho na ginawa, it's about time na bumawi naman kayo sa sarili ninyo. Ngayon naman, kung meron na kayong mga pananakit ng katawan or kung ano man discomfort, physical discomfort na nararanasan ninyo, it's about time na lumapit na kayo sa inyong mga doktor, dentista, or any health professionals, allied health professionals kung kailangan, para bumawi naman kayo sa inyong sarili, magpagamot, 'di ba? Magpa-treatment or kung ano man ang inyong kailangan. Okay? So what else for Pisces? We have growth. Ayan. So it's about time na to embrace your growth. It's about time na para bigyan naman ninyo ng pagkakataon ng sarili ninyo to evolve into the best version of yourself. You may need to take on a new adventure dito. You may need to go outside of your comfort zone dito for you to be able to grow. 'Di ba? May mga ganong sitwasyon na kailangan nating sumubok ng mga bagong bagay. May mga pagkakataon na kailangan nating lumabas sa kung ano na lang yung komportable para sa atin, para mag-thrive tayo, para mag-grow tayo. And maybe now, there is an opportunity for you to do that. Surprises, and under the most ordinary stone is an undisturbed garden. May mga surprise ang parating sa inyo dito, Pisces. So this is such a beautiful news para sa inyo. Kaya kailangan handa kayo, physically, mentally, and emotionally for new things, for new situation, for growth, maging handa tayo para dyan dahil parang it's about time na, na talagang kumbaga due date mo na, para mag-improve naman kayo, para mag-evolve naman kayo into the better Pisces. What else? We have woods. Be like the woods. Calm, soothing, mysterious, and full of life. Ayan. So, kalma lang, Pisces, kalma lang. Kailangan mo na magpahinga din. Kailangan mo na mag-unwind. Kailangan mo na mag-replenish of your lost energy. Kalma lang. Ibigay nyo naman ito sa sarili ninyo na mag-improve ang inyong pakiramdam. Okay? It's about time na para alagaan nyo naman ang inyong sarili. Self-care, diba, is a must. So, good luck, Pisces. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.